No, what is happening today?
Today was my day in a nutshell. I'm a global.
Alright, we're good.
Alright, this is the latest couple in town. Now we Celebuzu couples. Hi, nigga, we don't do anyhow wedding. Don't never ask. I want a wedding. I had a hug in my game. Damien. Stop fishing a wall. Oh, yeah, go. Yeah, this is Chief and Lolo, Chief Imo Worldwide, and she is
Sister Mangi.
yeah, Lolo Sister Mange.
Yes.
Actually, we just finished our marriage course. We are heading home. Along the line, we broke up.
Yes.
Did we broke or break?
We break it.
We break it up. Oh, wala past tense. We break it up. So more happy zega panyaga long one na panya. But finally, I am back from Panya to continue from where I stopped.
Yes.
So as you can see, we are looking so yummy. So yummy. Are we yummy or yummy?
Yum.
Yum.
Say it like a celebrity.
All right. All right, we're still on the set of Celebuzu wedding. Watch out, you will like the film. Manobo na the film Messia Potage ga like ya, then ga question a wall. Onyo na like ho film ya megin ya question a wall. Ele ngo ga question a wall. Them. Director. Hello. DOP, can't you do something stupid, DOP? Question a wall, man. Question a wall. I wish him a wall, you know, kind. Joy, caller. Yeah, Victor, question a wall. Question a barumba. I'll be a madu. Thank you all. Thank you all.